Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. I know you guys having a great day. If you're in crypto, I know you're having a great day. Guys, we have been waiting for years for this. We were told years ago, oh, Bitcoin's a bubble. People don't understand is Bitcoin's and the crypto market runs in cycles. So when you have a bull market versus a bear market, it's the time to accumulate. It's the time to accumulate when you have those bear markets, because when the bull market come back around after having, you can just sit back and chill. All right. Because you already stacked your sats. But we were told we were idiots. We talk about internet money and blah 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 blah. And we did it. We did it. We did it. But as you guys can see, Bitcoin, unless you've been living under a rock, Bitcoin price hits $20,000 for the first time in history. So the price of Bitcoin just hit 20 grand for the first time ever, in a historic milestone for the world's most popular cryptocurrency. And as you guys can see, let's check out the markets real quick. So guys, in the last 24 hours, we was at you guys see the market cap. Market cap currently at $603 billion. 24-hour volume is 149.8 billion. And BTC dominance has been going up, obviously, at 64.1%. Now, if you look at the last 24 hours, we were at 565 billion. And now we're at 603 billion. So roughly about a $40 billion, about $48 billion came into the market. I'm sorry, $38 billion came into the market over the last 24 hours. And in the last week, we was at 546 billion. So roughly about 60 billion came into the market, if you guys can see here. And so a lot of money is coming into the market. We had a nice good spike right here, as you guys can see here. 574, a nice good spike. Asian market really went off last night. If we look at it, Bitcoin's up over 15% for the week, and for the month over 10%, and the last 3 months we're up over 81%. Bitcoin price, you can see right here, $20,788. We were up 20,000. Look, we had to hit that little mark right here, little resistance at about $20,850. But right now, I wish I could tell you guys support and resistance, blah 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 blah. But guys, we're in no man's land right now. We're in no man's land. This is all-time high. This green thing right here is all-time high. We're in no man's land right now. So we don't know. We don't know where will we go. So right now, sit back, enjoy the ride, put your stops in, just adjust. Bitcoin keep going up and up and up. Keep adjusting your stops, and or if you want to take your profit, and say, okay, cool, I got my profit, I'm out. You can do that as well. But guys, what you want to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. But let's get right into it. So it says the price of Bitcoin has reached $20,000 for the first time in history on December 16th. The historic milestone comes just over 2 weeks after breaking its previous all-time high. At the same time, this rally is different from 2017 due to several reasons that could help BTC soar even higher. These include growing institutional demand, the increase in perception among investors that BTC is a store of value, and a stronger network fundamentals. Institutional demand fueling the Bitcoin rally, obviously. In December 2017, data suggests that retail and mainstream investors were behind the Bitcoin rally. At the time, CME BTC futures had just launched, and there was a lack of institutional investment vehicles. As such, the rally was mostly fueled by retail investors, what I keep telling people all the time, which came to an abrupt stop after a strong, well-induced sell-off. Basically, what happened when you had weak hands, retail wanted to hand over to institutions. Institutions said, I don't want it right now. And then Bitcoin and the whole crypto market just went down. All right. This time, institutional investors' focused platforms are seeing an explosive increase in trading activity. For instance, the CME BTC futures market recently notched a $1.27 $1.27 billion open interest, ranking just behind OKX as the second largest in the global Bitcoin market. This time around, institutions pushing it, retail's having it, retail's, they did like this, and institutions had a big bag and said, all right, cool, I got it. Institutional investors are not likely to invest in Bitcoin with a short-term strategy. Many are increasingly viewing it as a digital store of value as an alternative to gold. As Cointelegraph reported earlier, the rise of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust Premium suggests that institutions are increasingly looking for exposure to BTC and paying above the spot market price for the privilege. BTC is increasingly viewed as a store of value. Both institutions and high net worth investors are starting to acknowledge Bitcoin as a store of value and as a treasury asset. MicroStrategy, the publicly listed company in the United States that purchased $450 million worth of BTC earlier this year, sparked a trend that has led other institutions to allocate their capital into Bitcoin. Yes, because when you look at an institution and you say, okay, cool, you guys made $100 million in less than 2 months, we want into, bigger pockets going to come. So the perception of BTC as a hedge against inflation and a stable store of value could make BTC compelling for the broader financial sector in the medium to long term. Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, said, Bitcoin is the world's best treasury reserve asset and the emerging dominant monetary network. It is the solution to the store of value problem faced by every individual, corporation, and government on earth. As this news gets out, the world is going to change for the better. At the same time, Bitcoin performers have dwarfed goals this year, once again, as well as the S&P 500, despite the precious metal and the latter breaking their own all-time highs this year. So you'll get to perspective, guys. You can see this is here the blue line, S&P 500. Obviously, the gold line is gold, and this here, the little orange friend here, is Bitcoin. And look at this here. So people say, "Oh, I'm buying gold." Good luck. I'm buying Bitcoin. Hence, it's no surprise the Wall Street is now taking Bitcoin more seriously than in 2017. Further evidence of this was revealed on December 3rd when the S&P 500 announced it plans to roll out its own cryptocurrency indexes next year. As Cointelegraph reported, Bitcoin fundamentals are stronger than ever as the network is now moving 500,000 per second, $500,000 per second around the globe. In other words, Bitcoin transfers $4.627 billion in value per day. The network is also 10 times more secure than in late 2017, as the hash rate and mining difficulty both continue to hit new highs this year. The hash rate indicates how much computing power is being dedicated to validating Bitcoin transactions and securing the network. So, guys, I just want to say congratulations. I'm definitely going to get me a drink tonight. I want to sit back, have a drink, chill, relax, and just dwell in my in the moment. I want to say congratulations to everybody out there that has been investing in cryptocurrency. I want to say congratulations to all you guys out there that it's a little tough. Your regular, the average person is like, they don't know what you're talking about. Like, what the hell's going on? I got plenty of family members and friends. I just thought, I tell them, they're like, I don't know. Or they just look at me like I'm crazy. So, but I know a lot of you guys have the same way, but at the end of the day, guys, it's about freedom. This is about freedom, guys. This is about going to another level. This is about the transfer of wealth, and a lot of new wealthy people are going to be made off of this here. And, I look to see all you guys on the yachts, maybe you might pass my yacht or something like that. I'm just playing with you guys. But at the end of the day, guys, it's really about the transfer of wealth. It's about money, new money. It's about a change, the great reset, and being ahead of the game. All right. And you guys are. If you guys are watching this right here, you are ahead of the game, because we know, it's a good chance that Bitcoin we're about $200 billion away from the market cap all-time high. We was at $800 billion. Right now we're at $603 billion now. So, it's that time, guys. It's that time to look at it and reflect and be like, you know what? I'm glad I was here. I'm glad I was here during this time. And guys, this is a rare time in history where you're able to, the world switches over, and the way it does its currency, the way it do transactions, and you're a part of it. You're a part of it. So just sit back, relax, guys. Keep stacking them sats. Sit back and chill, and obviously keep accumulating. I'm no financial advisor, but I like the dollar cost average. I like to take advantage of the dips. We had these dips, take advantage of it, and just sit back and relax. But we're doing good, guys. I'll see you guys next video. Everybody stay safe out there. In time like this is really tough, especially going on with the pandemic and everything. So, and we are, just something to think about, during a time where you have an economic collapse around the globe, and we over here talking about all-time highs and what we're doing. So, we're pretty lucky, I might add. And at the same time, we're pretty smart, that I have to brag about. We're pretty smart, and we took the risk. So, and just looking at it, nobody has bought Bitcoin and lost money. If you look at it like this, as of today, no one has bought Bitcoin and lost money. It's that simple. As of the recording of this broadcast. But I'll see you guys next video, guys. Thank you, Assassin Chills. You got Crypto Chuck, Heal the Group, Crypto Black. If you guys need to actually take the course, learn about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, I highly suggest you do. Guys, you see the ticket below. Make sure you guys do that, www.cryptoblack.net. And if you guys want to trade and do different things like that, be part of bring to my world, DCG world, and be amongst over 100 traders, investors and traders, and really soak it up and really understand what's going on. I highly suggest you guys click the link below as well, and be a part of the DCG team. And I'm telling you right now, man, you're gonna really it speaks for itself, man. It speaks for itself. But I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Thank you, Assassin Chill. I'm out of here. I might go have me a drink. I might go chill. I'm about to sit back and relax, and I'm out, baby. Peace.